Hey there, homeowners. If you're planning to renovate your home, listen up. Today, we're diving into 10 common mistakes that can make your house look cheap, so you can spend your money wisely and create a space you'll love. Let's get started. 1. Cutting corners on materials. First off, using low-quality materials can really bring down the look of your home. Instead of opting for the cheapest options, choose mid-range materials that offer both style and durability. Trust me, it's worth the investment. 2. Choosing trendy colors. Bright trendy colors might seem fun, but they can quickly go out of style. Stick to neutral colors for your walls and add pops of color with decor. This way, your home will feel fresh and timeless. 3. Going overboard with themes. It's easy to get carried away with a themed room, but that can quickly feel tacky. Instead, aim for a cohesive style throughout your home. A unified design creates a more sophisticated atmosphere. 4. Neglecting lighting variety. Relying solely on overhead lighting can leave your space feeling flat. Layer your lighting with floor lamps, table lamps, and sconces to create warmth and depth. Great lighting makes all the difference. 5. Cluttering your spaces. Too many decorations can overwhelm a room. Keep it simple and choose a few meaningful pieces that showcase your style. Less really is more when it comes to creating a welcoming environment. 6. Skimping on hardware. Cheap cabinet knobs and handles can make even the best cabinets look low-end. Invest in quality hardware to elevate the overall look of your kitchen or bathroom. It's a small change that makes a big impact. 7. Ignoring curb appeal. Don't overlook your yard. A neglected exterior can drag down your home's appeal. Simple landscaping updates like fresh flowers or well-maintained shrubs can transform your entrance and make a great first impression. 8. Mixing too many styles. A hodgepodge of furniture can create visual chaos. Stick to a consistent design theme for your furniture to create harmony in your space. A unified look makes your home feel well-designed and intentional. 9. Hanging art incorrectly. Artwork can enhance a room, but hanging it too high or low can throw off the balance. Aim to hang your art at eye level about 57 to 60 inches from the floor for a polished look. 0.10. Neglecting maintenance. Lastly, don't let small repairs slide. Cracks, peeling paint, and broken fixtures can signal neglect. Keeping up with maintenance ensures your home looks its best and protects your investment.